Okay, these simulate French cleats to French cleats, and this is a bumper. Is the clock running on that?
Yeah.
Okay, and these would be bumpers with Velcro. Well, we would probably do it the opposite, where the shield would just have Velcro on the back of it, and the bumpers would be screwed to the wall. So when you go to put this on the wall, put it on the French cleats, and then push them down, and then it's not going anywhere. So put it back up. You can come around here and show it from the front. Okay, so I've got Velcro pads right here, French cleats here. Have to pull this away from the Velcro and lift up. So bumpers and Velcro pads, French cleats, set it over here. Go to the French cleats first, set them on, and then put the bottom down. And again, oh, didn't hit this one. Oh, my bad, my bad. There. Now when I turn it upside down, it doesn't fall off. So that's a pretty good safety mechanism for these. Okay, you can hit the red